Hello, welcome to Kokolo English. In this class, you'll learn English step by step. This is real-life English you can use right away.
Yes, welcome to another ESL lesson. Our goal is to help you speak English clearly and naturally.
What to say after sorry. In our last lesson, you learned how to apologize. In this lesson, you'll learn how to answer when someone apologizes to you. You'll learn useful responses for casual, polite, and formal situations. Also, we'll cover some common mistakes to avoid. Okay, let's get started.
Why responding is important. When someone says sorry, your answer is important. Your response can show kindness, understanding, or professionalism. You can accept the apology, show understanding, stay calm and polite.
The class is designed for you to listen to examples and then practice speaking. The female voice with red text is me, Paris.
And the male voice with blue text is me, Mark. After we speak, the black practice box means it's time for you to practice speaking. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep on trying.
Casual response. We use casual responses with family, friends, and people we know well. This type of response is relaxed and friendly. Example of a casual response.
Sorry I'm late.
No problem. These are more examples of casual response phrases. That's okay. No problem. Don't worry. It's fine. No big deal. Now it's time for you to practice a casual response. That's okay. Don't worry. No problem. It's fine. No big deal. Remember, a casual response is not used in important situations. Always match your response to the proper situation.
Polite response. This type of response is used in everyday situations with classmates, coworkers, or neighbors. The polite response is respectful and friendly. Example of a polite response.
I'm sorry for the mistake.
It's all right. Thank you for fixing it. These are more examples of polite response phrases. That's okay. It's all right. I understand. Thanks for saying that. I appreciate it. Now it's time for you to practice a polite response. That's okay. It's all right. I understand. Thanks for saying that. I appreciate it. When someone says sorry, a calm voice and a smile makes for a proper polite response.
Formal response. Formal responses are professional and respectful. We use them in business, with important people, or in serious situations. This is an example of a formal response.
I sincerely apologize for the delay.
Thank you for your apology. Please, let's continue. These are more examples of formal response phrases. Thank you for your apology. I appreciate your apology. Thank you for your understanding. Let's move forward. I appreciate and accept your apology. Now it's time for you to practice a formal response. Thank you for your apology. I appreciate your apology. Thank you for your understanding. Let's move forward. I appreciate and accept your apology. A formal response involves a respectful and longer reply.
When you are still upset, sometimes after someone says sorry, you may be still upset. You can calmly accept the apology but explain your feelings. This is formal and respectful. Example:
I'm sorry I broke your favorite coffee mug.
thanks for saying that. Please understand it was a special gift. These are some examples of responding even if you are still upset. I understand, but please be careful next time. It's okay, but let's avoid this again. I accept your apology, but this is important. Now it's time for you to practice. I understand, but please be careful next time. It's okay, but let's avoid this again. I accept your apology, but this is important. Remember, it's important to respond in a calm and respectful manner.
Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Responding in an angry tone. Remember, even if you are upset, stay calm. Mistake 2. Ignoring and not responding to an apology. Always take a moment to politely respond and help repair the situation. Mistake 3. Being too casual in a formal situation. In this situation, it's important to speak or email in a professional way.
In this lesson, you learned how to respond to apologies in 3 ways. Casual: it's fine. Polite: thanks for saying that. Formal: I appreciate your apology.
Remember to always match your response based on the different situation. When someone says sorry, always stay calm and give a response that is both kind and respectful. Well, that's all for today's class. Listen to this lesson again and practice often. Please give us a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Bye for now. See you next class.